Unit 1 Shape and Space Polygons. In this tutorial, we are going to check how to calculate the angles in the polygon. We know already a polygon is made up of 3 segments at least. Thus, we can say that the triangle is a polygon, and we know already as well that the sum of the angles in triangle is equal to 180 degrees. This triangle is constructed of 3 segments. The sum of its angles is equal to 180 degrees. If we look now into a quadrilateral, then it is a polygon with 4 sides. If we draw a line in this quadrilateral, then it will divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles, and each triangle has the sum of angles that is equal to 180 degrees. Thus, multiplied by 2, we can say the sum of angles in the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. If we have a 5-segment polygon as shown, we can divide it by 2 lines into 3 triangles, and as said, the sum of angles in each triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Thus, the total sum of the angles in the polygon is 3 multiplied by 180 degrees, that is equal to 540 degrees. If we have a 6-segment polygon, we can divide it to 4 triangles by 3 lines. Then the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees multiplied by 4, that is equal to 720 degrees. In other words, we can see that starting from a triangle or 3-side polygon, each time we add a segment or a line to the polygon, then a new triangle is created. Thus, the sum of angles in each polygon is equal to the number of sides minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees, as shown in this equation, where n is the number of sides. Angle sum of a polygon is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. N is the number of sides in the polygon.